What is a scalar? Keep in mind that for this lesson, we are going to be referring to A and B in terms of matrices. However, a matrix of order 1 by 1 could look something like this. 6. So notice that 6 is in a matrix. So this is just a single number in a matrix. However, when we have a number that's not in a matrix, like the number 6, we would refer to this as a scalar. And it's important that we differentiate between 6 as a scalar and 6 in a matrix, because when we're working with matrices, if we were just to refer to the number 6, it would be implied that it would be inside a matrix. But when we call it the scalar 6, then we imply that it's outside of the matrix.